If you're experiencing Cloud Save Error 2026 on your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you enhance your gaming experience by ensuring your saved data is properly backed up. Step 1. Check Internet connection. Make sure your PlayStation 5 is connected to the Internet. Go to Settings, then Network, and select Test Internet Connection to ensure everything is working properly. Step 2. Update system software. Ensure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, then System, and select System Software. Choose System Software Update and Settings to check for and install any available updates. Step 3. Reboot your console. Sometimes a simple restart can fix issues. Turn off your PS5 completely, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on. This can help refresh the system and resolve temporary glitches. Step 4. Check PlayStation Network status. Visit the official PlayStation Network status page to see if there are any ongoing issues with the cloud service. If there are problems on Sony's end, you may need to wait until they are resolved. Step 5. Reinitialize PS5. If the problem persists, consider reinitializing your PS5. Go to Settings, then System, and select System Software. Choose Reset Options and then reinitialize PS5. Note that this will erase all data, so make sure to back up any important files beforehand. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Cloud Save Error 2026 on your PlayStation 5. If the issue continues, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.